Welcome to our giant steel factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how steel is made. Witness extreme temperatures and giant machines. It is one of the most powerful processes on Earth.
Inside the blast furnace, temperatures exceed 2,000 degrees Celsius. Here, iron ore is transformed into molten iron through an extraordinary chemical reaction.
Current vector. We have clearance for the crossing.
Roger that. Speed adjusted to 0.5 meters per second.
Controlled cooling determines the final strength, hardness, and performance characteristics of the steel.
Every steel product undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets strict industrial standards.
Coil secured on platform 4. Clear for transport.
And that's how steel is made. From raw minerals deep within the earth to the giant structures that power our modern world.